Hi everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we're talking about the SmartMike Plus from SabineTek. Now this is a microphone you're listening to at the moment, and this whole video is recorded using this microphone. Let's quickly take a look what you get in the box. So in the box you get the microphone itself, which is tiny, and the charging cable, earpiece for real-time monitoring of your audio. We'll jump into that a little bit later on in the video. Also you get, we know they're not called wind muffs, they're called dead cats in the industry. This is a really interesting bit of tech. It works with both Android and iOS, along with your DSLR, GoPro or computer, whatever's got a 3.5mm jack, you can use this. The quality of this product, the sound quality more importantly, it's light. Overall, I've been really impressed with the SabineTek SmartMike Plus. I'm going to be using it in upcoming videos. We'll do some other videos on it, we'll do some follow-ups, and we'll do some comparisons between other wireless microphone systems to see how it stacks up, don't forget it. And until next time, I'll see you later.